So today I will show you how to tackle plosives when you are doing audiobook or podcast editing. It is very normal, especially if it's a voice or a dialogue, to have such plosives. So those are hard consonants which are recorded such as P's and B's. Usually they can be removed during recording by using a pop filter or wind filter during location sound, but sometimes they are still there in the recording. Let me show you how you can remove those plosives in iZotope RX. As you can see, this is the audio that I selected which has plosives. Let me play an audio for you.
upon and upon and
You can hear
upon
it in the
and
word upon as the P being a hard consonant.
upon and upon and
Now, to tackle this, RX has a plugin called Deplosive. Let's open Deplosive. The good thing about RX spectrogram display is that you can even visually see that there is a plosive in the audio file. You will see that brighter the area, it will represent higher amplitude. So just by visualization, you can know that there is a plosive happening around that area. Now, let's try to keep the sensitivity around 2 to 3. If you increase the sensitivity, the plugin will analyze the input audio signal, and sometimes because of that, the unnecessary consonants are also cut out. The frequency limit should be adjusted to whatever you see in the signal. So here I am seeing that the plosives are around 150 Hz. So I'll try to keep between 200 to 300 just to be on safe side. Usually the plosives are from 20 Hz to 300 Hz. Do not increase the strength. The more the value of strength, the more it will reduce the plosives and it will decrease the quality of the speech. So try to keep it between 2.5 to 3. Now, before committing to the settings, a good thumb of rule is to increase the sensitivity so it can focus on the specific areas and reduce the strength so that the plosives reduction will not be significant. Let's do that. Let's compare how it would sound after we render it. So click on compare. Let's listen to how it will sound. Click on preview.
upon and
This is before,
upon and upon and
this is after.
upon and upon and upon and
Before,
upon and
after.
upon and
Click render and we are done. Now let's try to increase the strength just to see the extreme effect. Click on compare, click on preview.
upon and upon and
Let's see how it was original.
upon and upon and upon and upon and
So as you saw, when we increased the strength, the quality of the word deteriorated, and try to bring down the strength and then you are good to go. Do you know we can even manually remove such plosives in RX? In next tutorial, I will show you how we can manually do that. Comment below what else you want me to show you when it comes to audiobook and podcast editing.